Hello, everyone. Welcome to Trusted Trading Community. My name is Austin. I'm a professional trader and a member of Trusted Trading Community. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of trading. If you're a beginner looking to understand the basics, you're in the right place. Today, we will cover the basics of trading. Let's start with the fundamentals. Trading involves buying and selling financial assets like stocks, currencies, or cryptocurrencies with the aim of making a profit. It's different from investing, as traders often take advantage of short-term market movements. Why should you consider trading? Well, trading offers the potential for financial gains. However, it's crucial to understand that it comes with risks. Markets can be unpredictable, and losses are a part of the game. It's essential to be well-informed and prepared. Let's move to the trading styles. There are various trading styles. Day trading involves making multiple trades within a single day. Swing trading focuses on capturing short to medium-term trends. Long-term investing, on the other hand, involves holding assets for an extended period. Before you start trading, define your financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Additionally, understand your risk tolerance. How much are you willing to risk on a single trade? Understand the market basics. To navigate the markets, it's essential to grasp the basics of supply and demand. Markets are driven by the buying and selling activities of participants, including buyers, sellers, and market makers. Now, what is technical analysis? Technical analysis involves studying charts and using various tools to predict future price movements. It includes trend lines, support and resistance levels, and chart patterns. Fundamental analysis focuses on a company's financial health and economic factors that may influence asset prices. Factors include earnings reports, economic indicators, and global events. Familiarize yourself with common trading terms like bullish, bearish, long, and short. Understand order types such as market orders, limit orders, and stop orders. Choosing the broker. Selecting the right brokerage is crucial. Consider factors like fees, customer support, and available features. A good broker can make your trading journey smoother. We mostly recommend Binomo because it has all the features that you will need for your trading journey to start. Create your trading plan. Every successful trader has a well-defined trading plan. This includes entry and exit strategies, risk management rules, and a clear outline of your trading goals. In conclusion, trading can be a rewarding endeavor, but it requires knowledge, discipline, and practice. Take the time to educate yourself and develop a solid foundation before diving into the markets. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave a comment below. And if you want to start trading in guidance of our team of professional traders, then the Telegram link is in description. Join our community channel. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.